as you can tell by the title of this video, we will be unboxing my Stitch Fix. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription box where you sign up for it. I just got the app because it's a lot easier to navigate because we're in the 21st century. Apps are the way to go. So just download the Stitch Fix. And so you'll fill out a style portfolio, your likes, your preferences, your waist size, your clothing size, your shoe size, things like that. And then you get paired with a personal stylist. Shout out to Lexi. This is my third time using Stitch Fix, and Lexi has come through every time. You know, if you're watching this, shout out. You're the bomb. But you link your social medias so they can kind of see your style, the vibe you're going for, things like that. You can also talk back and forth with your stylist. Your stylist leaves you a note. It's super cool, super fun if you're looking for new style, just new clothing options. If you got an event coming up, you can list that as well, and they'll send you, like, if you're going to a wedding, they'll send you suit and tie things. It's really cool. I've had a lot of success with it so far. I'm wearing a shirt right now in this video from the last subscription Stitch Fix that I got. So, I mean, it's just awesome. So I'm just really passionate about something like this. So I'm just kidding. So without further ado, let's jump into the box. So when you first open the box, you'll see two things. You'll see a package, a bag, I guess what you call it, a priority mail. Where if you don't like anything, the label's already there. You just put it back in there and you ship it off, and you don't have to pay for the postage, nothing like that. You just send it back, you know, not for me, nope, thanks. The second thing that you're going to see, which is my favorite that they do every time, is they'll send you this little, like, card that says, hello there. And it'll tell you, you know, what's in your fix, how you can pair it with other things that you might get or that you already have, along with a little note from your stylist. So those are all really good things to look at. You get ideas of how, oh, you could wear this with this, things like that. Really cool. Another thing that you get is the cost of everything. So the cost is really, it's actually pretty cheap if you think about it. Usually you get about 5 or 6 items. And if you buy the whole thing for your fix, you get a percentage off. I think this one you get 25% off. So if you buy all of it, if you just want to keep a couple items, you might as well just keep the other two because it's cheaper just to get the whole discount. So like this whole stitch costs $250, but if I were to do it individually or keep just a couple things, the whole stitch is $358. So yeah, it kind of just depends on if you like it, if you'll see you're wearing it. Like, things I'll grow into, but you know, you just got to do it. So let's get to it. Oh, I got some shoes this box. So I got some shoes. Let's see what they are. Oh, these are really cool. They're nice pair of leather shoes. They are Cole Hanes. So the shoes are $65 if I were just to buy them separately. But those are some really nice shoes. So what's next? Looks like we got a t-shirt. Oh, it's like a casual go out t-shirt. So this one's gonna be a Elijah Y-neck. So as you can see, the little buttons on it. I'll be trying these on later on so you can see everything as well. But there's that. What we got next? Oh, like a little pullover, maybe, looks like. Really cool. It's like a navy blue. It's very soft. It's really soft. Something with fall coming up might be good when it gets colder. But this one is going to be a vinyl textured pullover. So you could pull it over your t-shirt, maybe style it with some jeans, things like that. Just different options. What do we got here? We got a lengthy puffer vest. Okay. I don't really see myself wearing this, but like I said, I could probably grow into it maybe. Seems kind of like dad fisherman style, so we'll see. Oh, I got camo pants. If you guys know, camo pants are kind of in right now. For some reason, I don't know, but they're actually really cool. So, looks like I just snagged myself a pair. They're really cool. They got the pockets on this side, as you can see. So, we're trying those on with some things as well. Last thing, let's see. This is going to be it's a military jacket. So it's kind of heavy duty. It's got some pockets up here. The zipper. Oh, it's also got buttons, so you can button it up as well after you zip it. So, you know, sometimes the zipper doesn't work. It's kind of heavy, but it looks like it would keep you warm. Might go good with the military pants or something like that. Super cool. And that's all that is in my box. So now comes the fun part where we get to try things on. Alright guys, so here's the Elijah Y-neck. It's maroon. It's really soft. I'm just not a big V-neck person, so but it really works for me, I guess. I guess you could it's just something you can grow into. The camel pants, I love. It's got like the pockets on the side to give it that little like combat look. They're super comfy. Alright guys, this is the second look. I really like this. This is the Vial Tee pullover, navy blue. It's super soft material. It fits well. I just threw it on with some blue jeans. It makes for a really good casual look. So if you're going out on the town, just to dinner, hanging out with some friends. It's really cozy too for like a fall look. I just really like this shirt. It fits well. I also put on the Cole Hanes, so those are really nice as well. To go with it, the leather shoe. But also you could spice it up by putting on the vest that I got. I remember I said I didn't really like the vest, but if you put this on with it, it kind of looks really good. So it kind of just depends. Like I said, it'll grow on me when you got it on. You never know until you try something on, if it's good or not. Alright guys, so this is the military jacket that I got. I paired it with the camo pants. It's a super cool hipster vibe. Very chill. Kind of reminds me of some LA, Miami maybe. It's really comfortable. The jacket's a bit heavy, but it's got so many pockets and things that just make it really cool and in. I really like this one, so if you don't, keep walking. Mind your business. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I have to go to class, so I will catch you later. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Let me know what you thought about it. I'm going to link all my social media and everything down below so you guys can check it out. Tell me what you want to see. Yada, yada, yada. Also, I'm going to link my two best friends' channels down there, Emily and Kristen. Shout out to you guys. They're the ones that got me started on YouTube. They're just really good people. They got some dope freaking videos. So I'll link their channels down below. Go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, catch you later. Thanks.